What? What up, gang? It's your boy D Got It in the building again. Checking in with another video, you know what I'm saying? Right now, man, we're at the mall and we pretty much just parking lot pimping right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna get ready to fall in this thing, see what I can find for this 4th of July weekend coming up, you know what I'm saying? Plus, I'll be on vacation too at the same time, so you know what I'm saying? I gotta have me a fresh fit on, so pretty much just finna walk around to see what I can find off in here. Might take the camera in, might not, because I'm trying to find me something, so it's gonna be, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I'm finna see what I can all get into today, man. And then another thing, yeah, I wanted to tell y'all this. I just want to tell you, like, I'm working coming over some storms, you know what I'm saying, that I be having going on, man. Like, the devil will get in me sometime, and I was just like, finna do some whole shit, and it's gonna cost me to spend money to get back at people, but I don't want to waste no energy trying to get back at people and just let God handle them. You know what I'm saying? So, situation went down to where I looked out for somebody, and then when it's time for them to return the favor, they couldn't do it, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm just gonna let God handle them. I ain't even gonna be mad at them. I don't fuck with them no more. I can't fuck with you though, but you know what I'm saying? You'll lose more by trying to hurt somebody, you know what I'm saying? And so, I'm just pretty much gonna let that be what it is. But at the end of the day, fuck it. Hey, man, it's Saturday. We finna turn up, man. Finna go give me a bottle, and we finna go all the way up with it. You know what I'm saying? D got a game. Tell me why I've been in the dealership this whole time, and forgot to turn the camera on. But yeah. Y'all get the pictures, you know what I'm saying? Y'all get the picture though, man. Y'all get the picture though, man. Yeah. I guess what the boy think about getting, man. It's a hell of a deal for this BMW right here, man. But yeah, man, I'm thinking about snatching this Benz though. Not Benz, I mean BMW, my bad. Check this out. Boy, I could be closer to God, you know what I'm saying? Boy, I could be closer to God. Shit, 126,000 miles on it. They want 13.7. Then he say he'll drop it to 13 for me. So I go ahead and cash him out. What y'all think about your boy? Think about your boy in the BMW, man. I like this mother, me. And so, and for what I want to do to it, this thing will be nice. And really all it needs is paint. Just need a little bit, I say some little minor little touch-ups or something like that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I wasn't even much thinking. I don't even want to talk about it. But anyway, yeah. I got out of work today, man, and really was like, man, what can I get into? So I thought about it, let me hit the car lot, man. And this would be perfect. Like, I use this for like going out of town and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Just straight, I wouldn't say business trips, but yeah, man, I can use this to go out of town and stuff like that. This would be like a perfect car right here. Handle good, ride smooth, AC blows super cold. AC blows like super cold, man. This guy is nasty. Up and jump, I get y'all walk around. Yeah. Like a nigga been tied the motherfucker up in there.
Y'all check all the reviews on this thing again.
No, I ain't checking let them all down. I'm looking at this car right here.
Hey, Rob. Yeah. Talking about fixing all this?
Yeah, I think you can buy these. Yeah, that's what he was talking about. You can do the inside. Last one we had to do the front. Then I got it out of see. I don't know why he didn't do it. He bought his inside. He do good. He do good, man. When he got it, see, they look brand new. Yeah, we had this.
What up, gang? So yeah, I guess we're gonna wait to see. We're gonna wait to see what they talking about on the paperwork. He gave me a good deal. Seemed like $13.5 he wanted for it or whatever. And so with the little minor stuff that I was showing him that need to be worked on or whatever, you know what I'm saying? See what I can get it out of deal with it, you know what I'm saying? So let them work on that and see what's what, you feel me? I ultimately like the car, but I like the car, but shit just needs a little bit of work to it, needs some touch-ups, needs some stuff done to it. And so I just ain't gonna sell for the okie-doke, you know what I'm saying? And just go ahead and just take it just how it is, you feel me? So get back with them tomorrow and see what they come up with. And see if it might have us a BMW, you know what I'm saying? Have us a BMW, you know what I'm saying? Be ready for the summertime, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know I look a mess, I just got to work. Get my hair done this weekend so I don't be talking about me, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, have to give me something to drink, man. It's been a long day. Get back with y'all in a minute, gang. What's up, guys? So I just stopped at the gas station right quick, and this is something that I wasn't on game on until my homeboy put me on this the other day. But you know what I'm saying? They got people that be so-called acting like they homeless, you know what I'm saying? This nigga out here in front of the store, swagged out asking motherfuckers for $2 or $3, this and that and all this type of shit. Got a pocket full of money and still asking people for $2 or $3 Bogart in the front door of the store. Like, nigga. He knew he walking over there. He come back. Hold on, he come back. This nigga got on some the Yeezy boots, not the boots, slippers, whatever the fuck they is, whatever they call them. That nigga got a pair of them bitches on. I got these motherfucking burners on. Hold up, let me show you. It what I'm rocking on my feet. And then some fucking boot slippers on, you know what I'm saying? And I got these motherfucking flow burners on my goddamn feet. And he swagged out, look at it. Got a rifle full of money. Motherfuckers just handing the nigga money, he laughing about the shit. Look at this shit. Look at this nigga swagged out, asking people for money, got a whole iPhone in his hand. Nigga got a pocket full of money right there. Look at this shit. Asking motherfuckers for money and shit. Got some drinking, got everything in the backpack. This nigga here, look at this. Yeah, I'm hitting nicks up here at the stove, man. This nigga shit is crazy, bro. Look at this nigga. Laughing about the shit. You get motherfuckers out their money. There you go. Y'all gotta be aware of these niggas out here. These motherfuckers just be asking for money. It's like this their job. Nigga call it panhandling. This they fucking job. Nigga do that on a regular basis. Like nigga just sitting out the bin just hustle motherfuckers, give them free money, put it like that. Then nigga ain't gonna tell how much money nigga got in the pocket by motherfuckers just walking up giving them, you know what I'm saying, feeling sorry for them. They ain't never checking out the swag this nigga. Man, that shit is crazy. Man. But then they probably got a whole car. Niggas going around the corner, that nigga probably got a whole car. Let's see what we found. he got a little fucker. This nigga car right here. This the nigga car right there, man. This nigga's crazy, bro. This shit is crazy. Anyway, man, I'm finna get to the crib, man. I got some shit I gotta handle when I get to the crib. I'll get back over to y'all guys.